how to hide your Instagram Threads activity. Hey guys, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to disable Threads post notifications inside your Instagram app. If you're tired of seeing Threads updates popping up, this quick fix is for you. Let's jump right in. First, open the Instagram app and switch to the Profile tab in the bottom right corner. Now tap the three-line menu icon at the top right of your screen. From the menu, tap on Notifications. Next, select from Instagram. Scroll down a bit and you'll see options for product announcements and feedback. Under both sections, simply select off and that's it. Instagram will now stop sending you notifications related to Threads posts and activity. If you want to go a step further and stop Threads from being promoted on your feed, keep an eye out for any Threads banners or suggestions and use the Not Interested option whenever it appears. This helps the algorithm tune them out. That's all for the video. If this helped you, make sure to like the video, drop a comment below, and subscribe for more tech tips coming your way. Thanks for watching.